before we come out of the place. Yeah. Leave the big up. Alright. You lose a piece. What's up? What problem is there? You lose a piece. I just make us start the camera start. Hi guys, so today I'm going to a boat ride across Manhattan. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to a sky view bar and I'm gonna bring you guys with me, okay? And here is my lovely driver and friend. We're powering with Cuba today. Shopping with Toronto, now we're going to the city. Yes! The foreign woman need for safe.
No, it's serious because
when they tell me I said they no downtown this man.
Before me come here.
So we reached and we got our tickets, but I don't like the slippers I have on, so I had to turn back for my heels, but don't have a bag, my love, so I can walk with it under the jacket as a good gal. Don't it? Yeah, so I can walk with it.
Goodbye.
So I go on the boat now. Boats are loaded up. Boats are loaded. The girl. Listen, people. Those when we go in a boat for waterfront, this can't make sense. This don't make no sense. We better do the heels. Ooh, it's rocking. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think we're gonna be off now. And oh yeah.
Opened up recently, both viewers, and it was.
As ready as I'll ever be. Listen, you know, take up yourself and go up and cruise in a week. How why the ear fight me and me I fight the ear? No man.
As the statue fades into the distance, as the United States Park.
Okay, so it's not dinner time yet, so we just stopped at Starbucks and we're gonna make some drinks order. We're gonna make some drinks orders. A video.
The picture you make me
A video.
The filter you make me look well, you know, and elegant. Yes, I'm demure.
We're demure.
Elegant. can you see me? You know, I look.
Look where I'm at. I'm in Times Square. Look, she's in Times Square and we're going out for dinner. Look at this! So guys, this is where we're gonna be having dinner and lunch and drinks tonight. And there, woo! Thank you. Guys, New York is magical, and you know what? I wish everybody had the opportunity to travel to see that there is a wider world out there. The love that I have been shown so far has been nothing short how amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm so thankful for everybody who linked me up, you know, to show me a good time and just to take care of me. Like, it's been nothing but good energy. Kiva and I had a good time. We went out into Times Square and we did this challenge right here, you know, the 360 camera, and it was a whole vibe. You know what, life is short. Surround yourself with good people, good energy. Don't forget gratitude. Don't forget to be thankful, and trust me, you'll be amazed. You'll be amazed of how happy you'll be, and in everything you do, never ever leave out Father God. You understand me? The smile that you see, it never come overnight. It never just wake up one day and see it. No, it came with time. It came with time, and right now I just feel happy. The lights them at Times Square, my love, we dazzle your eye. When I say we dazzle your eye, I mean it, we dazzle your eye. I had so much fun. It's almost time for me to return back to the UK, but you know what? It's been an amazing experience, and overall I'm happy. And the girl Blonde, Mr. the people in my New York name my Blondie. Blondie, the people them near me. Blondie right through. In the club with my twin, we be vibing. Outside.